When you have a bunch of notebooks lying around, store them away using a cereal box. If you have no place to store small USBs, put them in a glass container.
That's good.
Store your pens by a rubber band or put them in a mug. Color coordinate your closet clothes to make your closet appear more put together. Put a hanger inside a hanger to save more space or to see if outfits match. If you or someone you know would like to start an online home business, visit advancedandprosper.com. When you enter the page, fill out the form to be contacted by Dua, founder of Advance and Prosper. Visit their page to know more about Dua and understand how the online business works. They also have an Instagram account. Visit their page, link in the description. Write down everything you want to do for the day on a sticky note so you can check them out and stay on track. Make use of shelves and drawers. Use coat hangers effectively. Store these things so you can use them later to tie your earphones and chargers. Keep the first page of your notebook empty so you can put a table of contents later.